Yeah, it is. Longleat. Oh, there's more. I just saw them underwater. Oh. Whoa!
No?
Yeah, no.
Toilets are that. Right, because it says there's a sign here.
I can't remember if he died or what he said.
Mark, that's it. You?
Why? Because what I see is that silver thing, that silver arch thing, but then the two arches fit in it, but then they didn't use them like that.
What about these lugging around?
Welcome to Longleat House.
A lot of the things in here are probably more, probably worth more than, well, everything else.
So we did.
Like fourth grade, yeah, you do 10,000 this year, 10,000
Yeah.
so you've got a 5-year
Yeah.
cycle.
Yes, that's yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You've got to appreciate the artwork, like.
Oh,
So this library here, the Marcus.
I mean, how anyone can like not at least have an appreciation for these artworks.
Yes, I mean basically when you
Like, you don't necessarily have to be passionate about it,
but yeah, I mean you would have to give it like you'd have to give it like respect.
Oh yeah.
I mean okay, yeah. Yeah, I mean basically I'm not
Whoa,
but
dude.
imagine this bit. But then imagine this movie film. Jeez, I thought that was the only room. Gee.
And there's room over there.
Yeah, I know. I mean, and I reckon all. No, is it? I mean, that looks like Henry VIII. That looks like one of the Queen Anne. Yeah, well.
The ceiling's just below the light.
Yeah.
Just the ceiling below.
Yeah, that's big. Big. Allow you to go beyond this thing there.
And remove that painting and table.
Where does the door lead? What say?
Where all of the stuff that we set up the table is.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe it's a
Like the
servant's store.
feet. And
Yeah, servant's store.
toes.
I wonder if this is now.
Could be.
By the.
Yeah.
Jason.
And that's the man who built the house. That's John Finn. That painting there, that portrait there, that's John Finn. So he built it he completed the house in 1580. Oh wow. And his family still live here today. So we're on the 15th generation of the Finn family. Oh wow.
No, like me and my wife were saying, I mean, even if you don't like the art, you would have to appreciate it.
Yeah. And this is the ceiling, isn't it? The ceiling.
I'm saying that, I'm assuming you're all there like you were there. Okay, imagine all the
Elephant. Variety of animals.
Don't touch it. Wow. So, visit of Charles II and his Queen in 1663. The first Viscount befriends Bishop Ken.
I realised that this thing was in the middle.
Is it? Oh.
And
Is that it now?
An elephant.
What these weird things are on the walls.
I mean, I wonder what the inspiration behind that artwork was.
What?
These weird things on the walls.
There's a good smell down here.
Yeah, I think it. Oh, right. I mean, in fact, here, there, and stonework as well.
No. I know.
Okay. Okay, do you need the toilet?
Tudor. Oh,
House of Stuart and Orange, House of Hanover. House of Windsor, there we go.
Right, so what? The House of Windsor came in after 8.
Yeah, 1865.
So you,
Man?
Yes.
not a lovely house. Right. That's a lovely house.
Yeah, it is a mosaic. That's right.
We just felt glass. Like the smoothness. Let's. Man. How do you feel?
What a beautiful day.
Right, okay, so.
Oh, that's my.
I just didn't have a moisture.
No, but they're still living things. Ah, jungle cruise are all attractions.
darling.
No?
Sabay dali, sabay turn.
What?
Maghawak kami tayo, baby. You and Auntie, please.
Okay.
Take a picture with you and Auntie.
Wait, we're coming.
Hello?
This place is so damn amazing, dude. Whoa! Would you look at this? Whoa!
Train all the plants grow around. So you don't take those like little shortcuts. Otherwise, they'll head you off, they'll tell me and Mary off, and they may tell us to do. You want to do it, we'll go to the pages and them stuff night. Otherwise, you will get and there's like one thing where basically I dig it. There's one thing if I do something like this, because then I'm helping it to your work. So, okay, and then basically we're going to a Kelbush way. And that way we get the £1 million that I wanted.
Spotted cowl cricket. Did we ski it? Did we spot it?
Whoa, why does the phone make it so much brighter than the actual thing?
We like it at the back.
You don't even know how dark it is. Whoa.
Yeah, I mean...
I have to literally use a phone to help me guide us
so
around.
through
because
here now.
I just cannot see anything. It's very dark, because luckily I have a phone on here which can show us where to go.
Bats generally have good eyesight and they can sometimes see better than humans. They use echolocation.
And I can see a bat.
Oh yeah, up there. Yeah, up there. Can you see him, Tegan? Oh, that one just flew.
I see.
Yeah, there's 3 up by the 4.
Oh, another one? Right, here's a
5.
Oh yeah, I did catch them on there.
Right, careful by here because
Right, I have the phone if we need to know where to turn and stuff.
You can't focus. Those bats were looking at me then.
let's see where they're on my arm.
Please don't touch it. Whoa! That one literally was that close to my head.
And in fact,
Oh. I just saw him fly.
There was a bright light coming in my direction that caught my eye, so I don't know. The flash is off. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just trying to focus. It's too dark.
Oh.
It's trying to find something.
Oh, I just saw him fly inside of my eye.
No. Not at all.
Is it brush like in your previous home?
Oh,
where you have
over there.
sometimes? Does it sound like this? You sound.
Oh. There's a lot flying around here now.
That one's looking right at me. That one is literally looking right at me.
Where does it find? Where did it find my face? These echolocation.
Echolocation. Look at she's on my phone. Hello.
That one's looking at me now.
Forget that. They won't land on
This is not creepy at all.
you. No, it's not.
It's looking right at the camera.
no,
I like this.
no, when I was a kid, my father
You just want to see their face, can't
had a sort of said, blackbird proposed.
you?
I remember it being a black type of bird. Bird, I don't know why. I think I was probably younger than 6. And I think he had helped it back then.
Oh my god.
Oh, there you are. I was just going to say, when I was the they'll fly and they'll know where they're flying, and then they'll be able to
Yeah. See, they're munching away on fruit. Yeah. Woohoo! So what are they munching? Apple? Mango, is it? Melon. Is that them squabbling? Is that noise? Yeah. Kind of reminds me of our guinea pigs when they squabble with each other. Well, there's a couple of keepers there, so who knows? Well spotted, Tegan. Oh, me and Kat see? Oh.
Oh. I think this is what we heard earlier.
What? That's a, is that a wolf? What is that?
No, not me. No. What is going on?
Spikes. It's a big spiky thing, isn't it? Blimey.
Yeah, we're not really saving grass.
I'm just going to have a look. Can you see any? No. Can't see anything, obvious.
Yeah, don't think there is. Always wondering.
A meerkat walkthrough. Hello, meerkats.
I see it. They're such cute things, aren't they?
Mischievous little things too, they are. He said they're so cute. I said, yeah, they're mischievous little things as well, aren't they?
I know somebody else who's like that.
They can't run up to you.
Where are they now?
Thank you. I'm going to be sat at 2A,
There's always one meerkat that's on the lookout. There's always one that's on the lookout. Right, okay. So if you're ready, you get back in.
Abby, you know the other day when I said no kill and we had to stop and oh look, no kill. I think it was
Largest or tallest. No, not the largest. Capybara's the largest. Yeah, there you go. Patagonia mare, it's in the cavey
and I
family.
can see 3 birds, 4 birds.
Yeah, little sparrows.
Oh, what is that? What the flip?
That.
Oh, they're anteaters.
He's getting some peak, I think, isn't he?
On his belly.
Oh,
Butterfly.
so whatever. Why was it that kookaburra?
Patagonia mare, yeah. Oh.
Oh, whatever that furry thing is.
Ooh. Hello.
His head's like white
Tegan.
here.
Tegan. Tegan. Question is how close would you want to be?
Oh, there we go.
See them funny looking chickens. He kind of looked up. He was kind of like, oh, did you come? Reindeer. So this is where they go the rest of the year, right? Hello. Western grey kangaroo. Minstrel! Robin! Come on! Sorry, I'm being really annoying and flip this gate towards you. Minstrel! Bobbin! Come on! Sandy! Sandy! I can see you! Come on! Sandy! Sandy! Come on!
It's a chicken. Mum.
Sandy! Hello.
The chicken's escaping.
There were all the other animals that are around here. But here they are, all close up.
You don't want those birds there? Yeah, turkeys. Eat them for Christmas dinner. Probably not that specific.
It's stubborn coming down as well. It doesn't want to come. Go for the run again. She's
Here it goes. It's going. Is it thinking about it?
One. Run. Now, well, basically you go. Run.
Here it goes.
Told you. My Jedi powers work. Run. And 2 seconds later is that. Oh, see?
There's another kangaroo. Oh, another one of them.
Yeah, see, and then that one was running then.
Well, hopping, jumping.
Yeah, there you go.
Nope, eventually got it out.
Yeah, well, she's had to put the head collar on and come out by force. Come on then. Come on then.
Oh, it's right here, look. Look behind us.
It's like you just disturbed me. I was having a lovely chill out in the stable. Ready to massage.
They sometimes do the thing where you can hold them.
Isn't that the weirdest looking chicken you've ever seen?
Okay, I want a ferret now. I want a ferret now. Look at his beak. You got daddy.
There's a head.
Don't use a hairdryer. I'm telling you, do not use a hairdryer. This is what happens when you use a hairdryer.
Anyway, what are you looking for?
I don't know.
For you?
Whoa, hi.
Hi, beast.
Oh, hi.
Okay, you just want me to move.
He's blocking your path.
Yeah, you can just go past him. He's absolutely fine.
Okay.
You just need to twist the handle, guys.
Yeah. I mean, no, that's the association.
Oh, show us your butt.
Look, it's still there.
The goat's just...
Yeah, I mean, no, this is what I mean by I wonder.
Oh, there's another one.
No, I wonder if these. Oh yeah, they are sheep. Okay. Yeah, I mean they're very clean.
Oh, Somali sheep. They're Somali sheep.
They're very clean.
Maybe they were there the whole time.
Even rubbed behind the ears of one of the.
Somali sheep, yeah.
Just a little tail. Just a little tail.
What we're going to look out for today, we're going to try and find you some Western Lowland gorillas all the way at the top end of the lake. In the Midlands yesterday, so they're very, very new to everything. They've never seen a sea lion before in their life, never seen a boat before in their entire life. So they've got to be eased into the chaos of the lake. We did used to have two hippos here called Spot and Sonia. They spent most of their time just over on the right. Yeah, they were really, really nice hippos while they were here. They were here longer than any other animal ever has been. They're here 48 years. Arrived in 1976. We've got our 4 new hippos now. We've got Manon and Basilda coming from the Czech Republic at 3 and 5 years old. We've got Lola and Hodor being 7 and 22. So hopefully they'll be just as nice as the old two. You know, a lovely boat full of strangers to wave at and take a fancy. You don't have to wave at them, they're complete strangers. If they don't come up to us when we get up to the island, which they probably will, but we're going to start throwing fish into their faces a little bit later. So they will be jumping, they will be splashing. I can guarantee everybody on the boat is going to see a sea lion. We've got 4 ladies named Molly, Belle, Rue and Ida. We have our one and our only big boy called Memphis, and then a toddler. She is an incredibly intelligent sea lion. Probably the smartest on the other side, just right at the tippy top of a pole. Quite nice view, to be fair. 6 monkeys on the island in total. 4 of them, traditional names, Cash, Kai, Kitway, Bud. 2 more, less traditional names, Wee Dude and Wee Dude. Of course, as always, every single trip, sea lions trying to steal the show. So on the pier over here, we have Memphis. The giant chunk that he is. As big as he is very much the biggest sea lion. There you go. Call that yawn. As big as he is, he's almost 200 of a Matilda 2 days ago. Which is really cute, really sweet. Right, top end of the lake, western lowland gorillas. Lots more boys out and about today.
Another one, is it?
Got 2 juveniles,
I just saw one.
and 2 Veti.
Oh, there you go, there's a gorilla.
Super males,
Oh,
Pico and Alfie as well. So lying down in front of the cage, we have
Gorilla! Another gorilla!
Step down Lobble in the back is Cuba. Far back left underneath the shade the oak tree is Sue Betty as well.
There. There's all oh, there's more. I just saw them underwater.
Right, so we're going to go on to sea lions. So what's going to happen is I have a giant bucket of fish. Nice views. I only need 2 things for you guys. Once again, please don't dangle things over in front of the animals. They are large. They will hurt you if they can. Number 2, try and keep the gangway clear. If you block the gangway or trip me up.
see him.
Oh.
I mean, unless you want to go somewhere else.
Yes, I want to go somewhere else.
Where?
To see the rest of the animals. Train.
Which is what? Can you get?
I don't know. I don't know where I am. All attractions this way. So...
That one definitely, she's like, what do you want to do now? And she said train.
Red panda.
Yeah. Probably the one that we saw on the other side.
Well, we did see the red pandas really well earlier.
What does that have to do with anything?
Because if you think, that's probably about 30.
That way round, but I think probably this way. Feel a bit sorry for the red squirrels. There used to be loads and loads and loads of them until the grey squirrels came in and took over. Now they're gone.
Do not touch the glass.
I know. Wanna go in? Giant otters?
Oh, hang on. Is it not?
They are.
Well, if I could, I would actually see.
Korea is
They
hot in
obviously
here.
like it hot.
Yeah.
Wow, up there as well.
Oh, wow. Let's move on.
You. Right,
You think I should tell my brother?
come on, Kavana.
Oh, up in the tree.
Oh, I've been the tree. Can you see it up here?
I know.
What house entrance?
If you think that one's cute.
Someone was actually moving through.
Come look in here. Did I, Mum?
Oh. Hello, what are you?
I know.
Best to turn the flash off when you look at glass because it won't be.
There you go.
Waddle.
Escape!
Oh.
Oh, here they come again.
Where are you hopping off to? Right.
Oh.
Oh, is there a snake in there, Archer?
Yeah.
Right down there. Oh wow.
You want to go your big stir? Want to go your big stir?
Over there.
David, you went down. Then you stay long enough.
Got a shot he's been wanting to see. He's like, can we see guinea pigs? It's like guinea pigs.
Aww, fancy you being zoo exhibits. Look at that one in the pile of hay.
Oh, typical.
But the question is how did they get up there?
Well, they can jump pretty high if they want to.
We've seen croissant jump.
Yeah. See the tarantula at the back?
Oh, creepy.
Auntie Sarah used to have a chili and roast tarantula.
Oh, that's creepy. Going on.
Yes,
Oh no, they're
know.
squeaking.
I'm guessing it's about
They-
food time. for
They
you.
want food.
Yes. No, Tegan, don't put your hands in. You see, I am a tempter. Tegan, I can't find the animals here. Can you find any?
I can see them.
Where? What, there? Of course you see them. There. There. There.
which is another creepy.
Hissing cockroach.
No. Try find this animal.
There.
There's a two.
Oh, hello.
They're a big turd.
Well, aren't you a big boy?
Is there even one in here? Oh, yeah, there's one in there.
I was just pets years ago. Back in the day.
Okay, I can see one. Focusing on that moss.
Ah, sun beetles.
Right, focusing on that moss in the middle of that bark, and then it's in there.
I've literally had two of them nearly get me right on the head. They fly really close, so it's literally
Hello. I'm going to say hello
me. Here they come!
Oh, when I've
One up there. Hello!
Oh!
Wow! Hi!
Hi.
That's a good thing about, like, coming around.
Right, where is it?
Don't think I taste like fish, though.
Where is it? I can find the perfect place to throw you in, and I won't have to leave this park. Where is it?
What do you mean up there?
Man.